everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to buy special Call of Wheels event items from other players in Heartopia. So during the Call of Wheels event, you can get exclusive event items from Vision Wave store. And then, however, not every item will appear in your daily shops, and each player will get a different selections. So if the items that you want isn't available in your store, you can just simply buy it through another player. First, you can just open the Vision Wave store by tap on this menu, this one like this, and then next just go to the DG member friends purchase, this one, and then just find the items that you want, and then in the bottom you will see a list of players who currently have that item in their shops, and then next just track one of those players like this, just track it, and then after that just go meet the player, just head to their locations like this. When you find them, just tap the player icon above their character, and then next just tap on the shopping cart icon, and then select the items that you want in here, and then next just confirm purchase, and then just wait for the other players to accept the transactions like this. And once it's approved, the item is yours like this. And then after that, don't forget to give that player some food afterward, because every transaction will cost them 30 energy. So you must replace it with food. And okay, that's it. Now you can collect even items even if they don't appear in your own shops. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.